Just got the top rated mini eyeshadow palette. Let's see if the hype is real. I'm excited for this. I feel like all the colors are so pretty. That's what it looks like. And there it is. So I like how you have some contouring colors and then some of the more highlighting colors. It does not come with a brush, so you do need one of those. You do get that mirror in there. I'm going to say Public is going to be the color I probably use the most, and Stolen. So I'm going to go ahead and use those as the base here. I don't have any eyeshadow on yet. I'm just using a little bit to see how this pigmentation is. All right, already really pretty. You could just do one color and be done. Let's put a little bit of Stolen through there. Okay, I'm loving it. Glassy would be your lightest color. So if you want to go that like underneath your brows, then maybe do a little bit of blending. I'll blend with my finger here. Cool, this is great. I usually put a light color in the corners as well, just to wake up the eyes. Okay, and then we have two of the darker ones. We have Right Time and Spiced. Spice is going to be, for me, more of like almost an eyeliner. So I'll just put a little bit in my corners there. I do have eyeliner on, so I'm just kind of going right on top of it. And then I'll do that Right Time and just do that as my kind of contour here in the crease line. Do you see how fast I just did my eye makeup? This is incredible. Okay. Ready to go. I approve. I love it. Yes, the hype is real. It's great. I love the small size too, because you can just take this to go or have it as your main makeup for everyday use. I think you're going to love it.